Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic change of subjects. In the previous video, we took an example on changing the subjects of equations that does not involve fractions. In this video, we are going to take two more examples on changing the subjects of equations that does not involve fractions. So we look at the first example for this video. Make x the subject in ry plus 2x is equal to tx plus 4y. So here's our question. Ry plus 2x is equal to tx plus 4. Ry plus 2x is equal to tx plus 4. And we are supposed to make x the subject of the equation. Now you can see that here we have four terms. The first term is ry, the second term is 2x, the third term is tx, and the last term is 4. We have two terms containing the new subject. The new subject that we want is x. 2x contains x and tx also contains x. Make sure that all the terms containing the new subject are on one side, then the other terms are also on the other side. What we are interested in is the term containing the new term. We are interested in the terms containing the new term. So the terms we are interested in are 2x and tx. Make sure that you send all of them to one side. Then all the other terms can go to the other side. So this is what I'm going to do. I will keep 2x here since it's already on the left hand side. Then I'll bring tx over. And I'll send ry from the left hand side to the right hand side. So this is what's going to happen. I'll keep 2x here, it's positive. Tx is positive. When it crosses to this side, it becomes negative. So 2x minus tx. 4 was already here, so 4. Ry was positive here. When it crosses to this side, it becomes negative. So you can see from here that I've grouped the terms with the new subject, which is x, on one side. Then all the other terms also on the other side. From here, I can simplify. What I have to do here is that I will have to factorize x out. In the video on factorization of algebraic expressions, we explained how to factorize something out. We are going to do the same thing here. So here, we take x out. Since x is the common factor, we take it out. Then we will leave the others in the bracket. So here used to be 2x. Because you've taken x out, the place is now 2. Here was tx. We've taken x out, so it's t. Now, because 2 minus t is a binomial, we are going to put it in a bracket. So that's why x, we are putting 2 minus t into a bracket. We are putting it into a bracket because it's a binomial and it's being multiplied by a single term, which is x. So we will put the binomial in a bracket. We explained this in the video on binomials under algebraic expressions. So x is equal to 2 minus t, and this is equal to 4 minus ry. We get here, what do? We want to make x the subject. You divide by the variable or the letter attached to x. In this case, what is attached to x is 2 minus t. It's the binomial 2 minus t. So what we are going to do is that we are going to divide both sides by 2 minus t. So you will divide the left hand side by 2 minus t. You will divide the right hand side by 2 minus t. And when you do that, the 2 minus t on the denominator here will cancel the 2 minus t on the numerator here, so that our x can stand alone or become the subject. And this is going to give us x is equal to 4 minus ry divided by 2 minus t. So you see that with this, we have been able to make x the subject. Once again, make sure that the terms containing the new subject are on one side, or group those terms, then all the other terms can be on the other side. Let's consider the next question. We have 3x minus ax is equal to 2x plus 5, and we are supposed to make x the subject. Our question once again is 3x minus ax is equal to 2x plus 5. So what do? You group all the terms with the new subject on one side. The new subject is x. That is what we want to make the subject. So make sure that all the terms with x are on one side. We have three terms with x. We have 3x, ax, and 2x. Fortunately for us, 3x and ax are already on one side. So what we have to do is that we bring 2x over to that side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. 3x minus ax were already here. They are already here. So I'm bringing 2x over. 2x is positive. When it crosses to this side, it becomes negative. So I'll have 3x minus ax minus 2x. This place is now 5 because I've taken 2x from here. Now let's look at something. We can rearrange the side that we have 3x minus 2x minus ax is equal to 5. What is 3x minus 2x? It is x. So you have x minus ax is equal to 5. So we've simplified 3x minus 2x. In the video on algebra, we explained why 3x minus 2x is x. So x minus ax is equal to 5. Here, what do we do? Just as we did in the previous example, we factorize x out. Once again, because x is the common factor, we will take it out. So we have x, then into bracket. Here used to be 1x. Because it's 1x, we don't write the 1. So if you have taken x out, you are going to have 1 minus. Here was ax. We've taken x out, so we now have a, and this is equal to 5. We divide both sides by 1 minus a. So we divide both sides by 1 minus a, and x will give us 5 over 1 minus a. Once again, you see that in these videos, we are applying the principles used in solving linear equations and algebraic expressions. All these topics have been explained. So if you have any difficulty, watch those videos and you understand how some of the computations are done here. Thank you for watching this video on change of subjects. In the next video, we are going to start with the next type of equation. We are going to change the subject of the next type of equation. And in these equations, there are fractions in it. So we will learn how to change the subject of equations that involves fractions. Bye-bye.